like you've gone away. I'm extra. And prepare yourself for deliciousness. Don't stop believing. Eat some really yummy wings. And here we go. Hola, busy familia. And today I'm here to bring you an air fryer chicken wing recipe. Now this is my Honey Sriracha Lime chicken wings. Now if you want to make these keto, you totally can. The best way to do that is just change out the honey for any of your erythritol sugar or stevia. If you want to add that little sweetness, you don't have to. I just like the sweetness in mine. But I'm really excited to bring this to you guys. We're going to use our air fryer today, and we get a little crispy wing. It takes a little bit less time and you don't have to deep fry anything. So this recipe actually came about because I ordered wings from a restaurant once and they delivered them to our house, and they delivered them naked with no sauce, and I had no buffalo sauce and had to figure out what to do. So I decided to make my own wing sauce. All right, so what you're gonna do first and foremost is you're gonna get your wings into a bowl. We're gonna add to that 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To that, I'm gonna add some paprika, some salt, because yum. Also, I got this really cute little salt bowl that I love, so you should totally get yourself one. All right, the weird ingredient that I'm gonna add to this to make them a little bit crispier is baking powder. I know that sounds weird, but the baking powder actually will help make the chicken wings a little crispier, and I don't wanna use flour because obviously keto don't wanna use flour. So we're gonna go ahead and mix these up. Now it doesn't have to be a lot of salt because there's already salt and stuff in the sauce that we're gonna make, but it's just enough to coat the wing. Look at that, yummy coated wings. Now let's get the air fryer. We're going to lay them out. So there you go, you make a nice fine layer of your wings. Okay, so we got our chicken wings in here, separated out. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it in the air fryer. We're going to bake, well, air fry at 360 for 25 minutes. And every 10 minutes, you're gonna shake your basket, okay? So let's throw it in. So while that's happening, we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. So here we have 1.5 tablespoons of yummy, yummy Kerrygold salted butter. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sriracha because yum. Get that all mixed and going together. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, if you don't want to add honey, which you don't have to, you can eat it without the honey, but you can also add stevia to this or erythritol to give it a little sweetness. You do need a little bit of that sweetness in the sauce. Now, honey has never taken me out of ketosis, but other people might want to not use it, so that's totally fine. All right, so you're going to bring it to a boil like so. And then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of vinegar. And then I'm gonna add about a squeeze or 2 of lime juice to give it a little citrusy flavor. I know this isn't gonna be super spicy, so I'm gonna add some Thai chilies to it. These are from my garden. Chili flake really just adds like another dimension to salsa. This isn't salsa, this is sauce. Wing sauce, but it's gonna add a little bit of a heat element to it, which is good. So now, while this is, I'm gonna bring it down to a simmer and let it kind of thicken up a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and taste it now. Oh, that is literally so good. So you can, to this you can add salt if you want. I mean, I'll add a pinch, but you really don't need much salt. You can add more sugar, more honey, whatever you want. The more honey you add, the thicker it's gonna be, obviously, for sugar purposes. I don't wanna add a lot of honey to this. So we're just gonna give it a little stir and just let it simmer now while you wait for your chicken wings to be done. Okay, so it's been 25 minutes. They look crispy. They look pretty good, but what I'm gonna do now is I want them a little crispier, so I'm gonna put them in at 400 for 5 minutes, and then we should be ready to toss in that yummy sauce we made. Okay, so our wings are ready and they look beautiful. Look at these wings. Gorgeous. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and put your wings in a bowl. Oh, they're so beautiful. Just to recap, 25 minutes at 360 in the air fryer and then 5 minutes at 400 in the air fryer, and you'll get this crispy goodness. All right, now it's time to toss them in the BusyMami sweet chili sauce. I have gone ahead and put it in a little bottle because I'm extra. You don't have to do that, but I don't use all the sauce. Obviously, we're only gonna need a little less than half, and then you just toss your wings like so. Try to do this when they're hot. They tend to stick a lot better. So good. Once they're tossed, go ahead and put them on your plates and prepare yourself for deliciousness. And here you have it, your beautiful, yummy, spicy wing. Let's try them. Crispy, tangy, sweet, spicy, yummy. How many E's words can I come up with? Delicious. I hope you try these with your family. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you added different sugars to it or how you made your own. I hope you enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye. Mm.